Good morning, Vita. Here we revise our chapter, some topic related to chapter Why Do We Fall Ill. Here we discuss about animal-borne disease and water-borne disease. So, what is animal-borne disease? Mean disease transmitted from animal to human are referred to as animal-borne disease. Okay. So, means I think you all know about some animal borne disease, just like you all have pet, right? So, you aware about rabies, okay? So, what is rabies? Disease means if you talk about the rabies, a deadly virus spread to people from the saliva of infected animals, like this. Rabies is usually transmitted through an animal bite, for example, from the stray dog. Okay, so symptom including of these animal biting that it include fever, headache, excess salivation, muscle spasms, paralysis, and even mental confusion also. And if we talk about the treatment of these rabies form, so seek immediate medical attention after a bite or suspected bite. There is no specific treatment for rabies. Once symptoms appear, it's nearly always fatal. A vaccine can prevent only infection. Okay, if you have question that can we survive rabies, so through a small number of people have survived rabies. The disease usually causes death. For that reason, if you think you have been exposed to rabies, you must get a series of shots to prevent the infection from taking hold. Okay, so rabies is a viral infection of the brain that is transmitted by animal and that cause inflammation of the brain and spinal cord. Once the virus reaches the spinal cord and brain, rabies is almost always fatal over there. Okay, and we already talk about here causes. So what is causes of rabies? Rabies infection is caused by the rabies virus. Okay, the virus spread through the saliva of infected animal. All animals do not have rabies. Okay, only infected animals have rabies. Infected animal can spread the virus by biting another animal or person. In rare cases, rabies can be spread when infected saliva get into an open wound or the mucous membrane, such as mouth or eyes. So, these are all about rabies. Means rabies is preventable virus disease of mammal usually transmit through the bite of an infected animals. Now, we go with waterborne disease. Okay, uh, we have next slide like here. This is waterborne disease. What is waterborne disease? Means waterborne means illness, that illness which is caused by microorganisms in untreated or contaminated water. Like there is lots of disease which is of waterborne, like amoebiasis. Amoebiasis is a parasitic infection of the colon with the amoeba and amoeba histolytica, but this is not in your syllabus. Cholera, yes, cholera is a bacterial disease. Okay, causing by several diarrhea and dehydration. Okay, so this is cholera. Cholera means if you talk about the cholera only, that you see in your slide, that is the one a girl who take up water from a dirty area. So this type of problem is happening with these type of children. Means cholera is commonly found in humanitarian emergencies or villages where poverty and poor sanitation are rampant. Means this is spread through contaminated water, and severe condition of cholera is dehydration and diarrhea. Means cholera can be fatal within a day or even hours of exposure to the bacteria, but only 1 in 10 people will be develop these life threatening symptoms. And in cholera symptoms like nausea, like vomiting, like muscle cramp, these all are the symptoms of cholera. Prevention and treatment: cholera is waterborne illness that easily prevented when traveling, like wash your hand, eat only those food which is completely cooked or hot, and eat those vegetables which you can peel yourself. Okay, so one hand washing is unavailable. Cholera can impact an entire village in developing countries like Ethiopia, in even Asia also. So means they don't have safe water, soap or a facility wash. This make hygiene management and disease prevent nearly possible for these communities. So uh, yeah, really this is in on only those areas, those country where hygienic is not mainly formed. Okay, now we go with our next slide. This is typhoid fever. So a rare industrialized country, typhoid fever is well extremely poor part of developing nation. Like India is also a developing country. Typhoid fever is spread through contaminated food, unsafe water, and poor sanitation, and it is highly contagious. Symptoms of this means there is also one important. Their typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi bacteria. Okay, and if one get infected with this, they have get some symptoms like fever that increase gradually, muscle cramps, aches, fatigues, sweating, diarrhea, and constipation. If you talk about prevention and treatment, that vaccine are recommended for people who are traveling in area where poor sanitation and unsafe water are common, and the vaccine can be injected a shot or taken orally or a number of days to prevent it. And from drinking, always prevent yourself by and drinking any water that is not bottled and sealed, and do not eat food from villagers or street vendors. So and if we talk about treatment, the typhoid is treated with antibiotics. Okay, so here we talk about three diseases. One is animal borne disease, where we talk about rabies. Next we discuss here about waterborne disease like cholera, which is done by contaminated waters or unhygienic condition. We also talk here about typhoid fever, where we mm, observe that there is rash on the body and enlargement of liver and spleen. Even we also have a picture of Salmonella typhi bacterium, which is responsible for this bacteria. So this is about spreading of means how these diseases are spread from one person to another, or a animal to human being. Okay, you have to be maintain a revision note about it, beta, because earlier we already discussed it, but I think it is beneficial to you. That's why I'm making it video again. Okay, thank you.